Okay guys, we just ate at Ezel's over in Phenix City, Alabama. It was delicious. We fixing to go to a couple more pawn shops in Phenix City, Alabama. How about that? Okay guys, I'm here at Northside Pawn. They're usually, this is another Money Miser. Money Miser pawns are always high. But we're gonna go in there and see what they got. You never know, that's why you go in and look around. Hey, how you doing? Blur, $40, ain't too bad. That buck. China-made buck. I saw. Ooh. An old Gerber right there. Ain't bad price, $20. See right there? Ain't bad at all. Might even do better than that. That saw right there. It's probably made in Taiwan. Look at that one right there, guys. That says right there, Joseph Rogers, Sheffield, England. What is it right there? You gotta check that out. Hey, can I see a knife? Let's see what that is. I've never seen one like that before. It's weird, ain't it? It looks like that might just slip out of there. Look.
That goes
Maybe,
all the way down.
Yeah, maybe you pull out on that, it comes out.
Seems like there should be something.
Yeah, like right there. Oh, I see it. It comes
it's right
out.
There, isn't it? To detent.
I think it is.
Let's see if
because it comes through right there, through there. I think that's a lock or something, ain't it?
It is. You just got to figure out how to open it.
Yeah.
There ought to be an easier way.
That's a strange.
I see it going through right there.
Yeah. That's strange, ain't it? Is it that right there? That don't. Does that mash in like that? Oh, there it is.
Where'd you mash it?
Right here.
Okay.
Now pull it out. Let's see
what.
About that. Well, I'll be dog. Now, what kind of knife is that? This is Joseph.
What is this? The sharp
Rogers, Sheffield, England. I've never seen one like that before. What is that?
Is it a sharpener of some sort?
I don't know. It's got a string on it. Almost like a fishing line or something.
Yeah. For me or you?
For me.
Oh. Let me go and check it.
Yeah, yeah. Just let me, because that has a strange knife. It's pretty cool.
You're a knife guy. I can tell by the hat.
Uh-huh. Right there, that's a sporting, that's a cold steel right there. Real, what's that $79 right there? Viking. What is that right there? Emerson. It's an Emerson knife designs. I need to look at that one. Huh. Just gonna see the green one, the handle.
Here?
The one right next
Here?
to it. Supposed to be some really good knives.
Of course, I think that was actually
That's a Kershaw.
Yeah.
Oh, it is China, ain't it? China. Yeah, I was going by that right there.
Mm-hmm.
The Emerson, okay. Emerson Knife Designs, okay. Okay, buddy. Well, thank you,
want to
man.
look at the Randall? No, I'm just
You
kidding.
got.
I'm just kidding.
I
knew you were a knife guy, so I couldn't help
yeah,
it.
I like to look at one. I don't know if I can afford it. Them things are high, man. High. But y'all got some pretty good knives in here, man. What's that Kershaw right there? 144. The smaller one, not the blur, but that one right there. That one.
Here?
We'll see what model that is. Let's see. Man USA patent 812. Okay, buddy. Put that back. Now, one more, and I'll leave you alone. What is that? That's a suede. That one right there, the sog. I want to see if it's Taiwan made or Siki. What'd you say?
I found me a pretty good one up by the trash can there, man.
Did you really? You found that? He didn't find that. That's a Microtech.
Yeah, that's good now.
Studies observation group. They usually say either Taiwan or somewhere on the. Here we go. Clip, no. They either say Taiwan or Siki City. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Studies and observation group. That I don't know.
Yeah, it's a nice knife though. Don't see it. Man, alright. You can put that back, buddy. Hate that. It really looks good. Just a Cairo 440 Recondo FX. I'll look it up when I go out to the truck. And let me see that Schrade right there, and that'll be the last one. Oh, that's a Schrade USA too, isn't it? Never seen that one before. Okay, buddy, I'm gonna stick with that one.
Okay, he's got you right up there.
All right, sounds good. We thank you, buddy. There are 49 bucks. What's the best y'all can do on these? There's 60. Thank you, buddy. Hey guys, that Joseph Rogers knife. Never seen one before. I'm taking a chance. $25. But they said when it first come in, they had it marked for 99 bucks. So I'll look it up when we get back home. Can't wait. That's what I love to do. I love to find a knife that I ain't never seen before, especially one made in Sheffield, England. And something odd like this. Can't wait to see what it is. Okay guys, right across the street there's Pone headquarters. We're finna go in there and see what kind of knives they got today. Phenix City, Alabama. Hey, how you doing, man?
Honestly, yeah, it's trust driving with Josh. It's other people.
Yeah.
That one. Just for them to give us an answer back.
Can I look at your knives?
Step on back here, yes, sir.
Thank you. $49.
It was a pawn. Yeah, all right. Do you have a pistol permit as well? Yeah. Do you have a permit? You don't need one. It's just.
Alright, Theo, you always want stuff for free.
Alright, sir. It's gonna be. I can do this.
This is if you wanted to take it apart. Go here. Yeah. This is if you wanted to.
2005. Anytime you see the state of Idaho, you know it's 2005. That's when they moved to Idaho from California. See what they can do on this.
You know how to do it? Can we teach you?
Yeah. I teach all the work.
What you said was.
Push up and pull it out.
6602.
I show you. Put us back in.
I have a Shield Plus. See what they can do on that. Uh-oh. Ruger. That's a Glock. 380 probably. Hey, what's the best y'all can do on these two right here? Is this all the knives you got?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know if y'all had a. Used to y'all had a pail that we could go through.
Yeah, we did. Somebody
Okay.
came in and bought.
Dollars
Oh, really?
left with
Yeah.
everything, right?
I'll do
Just the dollars,
$14.95.
the frames and that
Yeah.
AR. Okay.
And that's on this one. $39.95.
Okay. All right, we'll do that. So 39 and 15, so that's 55 out the door.
It'd be with tax.
I got cash.
It'd be with tax. Get $12.95.
All right, there's. Take it, man. Okay, guys, it's been a fun day. We'll go over these knives in tomorrow's video. How about that? Anyway, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Till we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.